In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink a bank account from Rocket Money. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few moments, guiding you through each step effortlessly. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Rocket Money's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or simply search for Rocket Money. Once you've reached the site, you'll notice the sign in button. Click on that button to begin logging into your account. It's essential to ensure that you're using the appropriate login credentials for a smooth transition into your account's dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Rocket Money dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all your linked accounts as well as track your financial activities. From here, locate the settings option. You'll find this typically at the top or bottom corner of the page. It's important to access this section because here is where the management and adjustment of your account settings, including linked bank accounts, occurs. After accessing the settings menu, look for the area labeled Linked Accounts. This is the section specifically set up for managing all the bank accounts that you have linked with Rocket Money. By clicking on Linked Accounts, you'll be able to see a list of the bank accounts currently associated with your profile. Now, scroll through the list and identify the specific bank you wish to unlink from your Rocket Money account. Select this bank account to proceed. You should now see options to manage this particular link. Usually, Rocket Money provides options like Remove Account, Disconnect, or Unlink. Click on any of these options to initiate the process of severing this link. At this point, you'll likely receive a confirmation dialog or message. This is simply ensuring that you want to proceed with unlinking the account. Confirm this action to permanently disconnect the bank from your Rocket Money profile. This is a critical step, as confirming guarantees that no further data or transactions from this bank will be visible in your Rocket Money account. After the disconnection process, it's a good idea to refresh your dashboard. Doing so will update your Rocket Money account, reflecting the changes you've made. It's reassuring to know that if you ever wish to reconnect this bank account in the future, it remains an option. For now, you have successfully unlinked your bank from Rocket Money, and you can rest easy knowing that your financial data with that bank is no longer being shared with the app. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of unlinking a bank account from Rocket Money. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, enjoy a more tailored Rocket Money experience.